Start digging, and if you start looking at the original Constitution, you're going to find a lot of things in there that we're just going to become re-aware of. In the process of we're reconstituting our counties, okay? Now we have existing courts, and in those existing courts, what we're doing when we're constituting the reinstatement of the Common Law Grand Jury. That puts it back to where it used to be. It puts it back to where it should be. That puts it back to where we the people, everybody in this room, okay, we are the government. We're okay. It should not have been missed or altered from the original Constitution. A lot of things have been misrepresented. We've been misled. We've been lied to. Okay, and then that's no secret. Everybody knows that. So when we go around to reconstituting our counties, reconstituting our states, we're telling all the federal courts, the federal Supreme Courts, okay, we're letting them know that this is what we want. This is how we use our voice to speak up and say, we want it back, okay? We deserve what we were born with, and it was taken from us, not from our choice. We didn't have a choice. I'm going to go down this list, well, I actually have it in my hands, to see if we have the representation to some of these counties here. Now, some of you guys are here from certain counties. Some of these other counties, in their absence, we have spoken to a lot of the jurists in these counties. So there's not one county that we're going to constitute that doesn't have the representation or someone that is either disabled, at a surgery, and is simply unable to make it, but they're asking that we constitute their county for them in their absence. So we're going to do that. Anybody can do this for another county. If you are in this county, you definitely can sign your own for your county to, to reinstate it. We've got Austin, Anderson, Bastrop, Bell, Bosque, Burleson, Brazos, Burnett, Cherokee, Collin, Comanche, Coryell, Dallas, Denton, Ellis, Erath, Falls, Freestone, Grimes, Hamilton, Henderson, Hill, Hood, Johnson, Kaufman, Lampasas, Lee, Leon, Limestone, McLennan, Madison, Milam, Mills, Navarro, Parker, Rockwall, Robertson, Somerville, Tarrant County, Travis County, Van Zant, Williamson, and Wood. These are all the counties, this group, that we're going to be constituting to reinstate the Common Law Grand Jury today. So in order to do this, what we do is, since we've already read off the counties that we're going to constitute, we do a show of hands. So what we'll do is we do a show of hands for all of those in favor that if you guys understand that what we're trying to do here is to bring back the common law. We are reinstating all the counties, reinstating the Common Law Grand Jury. Okay? So for all those in favor of doing so, raise your hand, say aye. Aye. Okay. Anybody nay? Thank you. That's wonderful. That's lovely. Okay. In the process of doing this, we got a lot of paperwork to sign. Okay, we do need documents that are signed. There's a declaration, basically is stating what we're going to be doing. When it comes time to file these documents in a court, we have what we call a declaration. That's telling them where it's going to be filed and that it should stay filed. Once a document is deposited into the court, it is fraud for any clerk or anybody to alter, remove, or mess with them in any way. Once they're there, they're there. If for any reason, once these documents are filed in a court and then they are returned, the person who then returned those documents can be indicted. Okay? So there's a lot of seriousness to a lot of this. They don't think that they can be held accountable because they don't go by these laws. They go by the rules and laws and regulations that they have all created, which we do not, they don't apply. They don't apply to me. I don't know if you want to apply to you. Speeding tickets were the perfect example. If you look at your driver's license are all in caps, but when you fill out your application, you didn't write it all in caps, did you? Putting your driver's license all in caps makes you a corporation. So therefore, whenever you get a speeding ticket, the Texas law clearly states that it is for commercial vehicles only. But you're a corporation, so that's their loophole. They can pull you over and ask you what you were doing in your course of, where were you traveling? They want to make sure that you are under their jurisdiction. And that one word, jurisdiction, is going to be the game of the whole way. You challenge their jurisdiction, and you'll win every time.